Dr. Bagara Paulo agambire bwabira atayire Busaza HC III yakashatu okureba umurimo gwo kwombeka ishemerezo ahirwarere.
So there are some challenges still at Busaza, and one, it's an infrastructure challenge which we've realized. The patients are there, but the staffing also was a challenge. As government, we've recruited more staff through our district local government.
Ugashoborira hantebe kanisa za gavumenti ezo kuhandika abashaho bona okwetorera ihanga naho hureji yahika.
The value of digitization is twofold. That one, we're able to digitally capture the patient information. When that patient is referred from Busaza to Kisoro, the person in Kisoro is able to retrieve that information that you submitted in Busaza very easily.
Borekero kwacu habwa amarura ragaru kwakira abariro ku rwo mahanga gatara gamwe na gamwe ekiro kuretere mu baziyara kokwaho
kugira ngo twegeranye ibihugu bibiri y'u Rwanda na DRC ni umugisha wo kugira ngo twebwe tumeze neza bagenzi bacu bashaye kuza aho turi kugira ngo babone ibyo guhereza.
Nka X-ray machine ntabwo yari yashigikirwa neza ngo itangire gukora, ariko batwijeje ko mu gihe gikwiriye cyavuba iratangira gukora. Theater at Busaza iyo iratangira icumweru gitaha kuko abakozi bose abari batahari.
Hona batura borekero kwatwaho ahabo byamagara kutambura kuba mucanga iki.
Hano saa 3 ariko nanezo saa ntabwo nabone dagaragara kandi mwana ngo batraining bose babone kugira imbaraga.
Gashoka keta tuzariro.